Why are you yelling at me now? Meow! It's the second I get a...
Orange cat shenanigans.
There's no way you're about to do that.
Pumpkin!
What is really the point of sitting on the couch and not facing the outside? Like, you're literally facing the arm of... What is wrong with y'all?
Her cat has the best birthday parties. Sensitivity way too high.
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. You can't have it back.
He gets all the ladies. Completely mesmerized by birds.